Hello, everyone. I'm Fengqing. Today, I want to tell you about a very special dining experience, seemingly simple but memorable. It was a sunny afternoon after waking up late in the morning, rushing to do an online interview without having time to eat anything. By the time I finished work, my stomach was growling, my battery was low, my mind was hazy, and I didn't know what to eat. At that time, I just wandered around near my house, hoping to find something delicious and quick. By chance, I saw a newly opened restaurant with a sign Po Chon Ga Char Siu, Saigon specialty. Suddenly, the three words Po Chon hit my mind like a ray of salvation. I decided to go into the restaurant, immediately ordered a special portion, then found a seat by the window where the sunlight was gentle. The bowl of pho was brought out after about 5 minutes. Just looking at it was already appealing. The pho was mixed with a shiny brown sauce, fragrant with fried onions and soy sauce. The chicken was shredded into medium-sized, pure white pieces, while the char siu was reddish pink with a burnt edge that looked extremely appealing. In addition, there were herbs, bean sprouts, thinly sliced cucumbers, all presented very neatly and pleasing to the eye. I picked up my chopsticks, gently stirred so that the sauce soaked into each noodle, then picked up a piece to try. Oh my God, it was more delicious than expected. The noodles were soft but not mushy, soaked in the sauce so they were rich but not salty. The chicken was sweet, the char siu was slightly fatty with the aroma of honey and five-spice powder. The raw vegetables were fresh and crunchy, helping to balance the fat of the meat, making the whole bowl not boring. I ate while enjoying the pleasant feeling as my hunger gradually subsided. But at this moment, my brain started to speak up. Hey, my stomach is full, but my mind is still not very clear. Then I remembered that the owner had introduced some drinks, including Rockstat, a newly imported energy drink. I don't usually drink those things, but today I really needed a little boost to stay awake. So I ordered a can of Rockstat, simply to refresh my spirit. What a surprise! The can of Rockstat looked pretty cool with a strong black and red color. Opening the lid gave off a gentle aroma, not as pungent as regular energy drinks. I took a sip, felt a light gas, a sweet taste, and a bit of a cool aftertaste. It felt quite pleasant, not harsh on the throat. But the great thing was that after about 5-7 minutes, I started to feel completely awake. Not the kind of sudden alertness that makes my heart beat faster, but a gentle alertness, as if someone turned on a switch in my head. All the unfinished things in the morning suddenly lined up clearly in my head, and my mood was also much better. At that time, I could only laugh to myself. Wow, did I just upgrade my mood just by eating a meal and a can of water? To be honest, that meal was not expensive, not fancy, not fashionable, but everything was just right, right when I needed it. The mixed pho with char siu chicken fulfilled its role of recharging the body, and the Rockstat was like a gentle push to the spirit, helping me to turn on the mood, regain the rhythm of life. Sometimes, happiness does not lie in luxurious things, but just a bowl of delicious pho and a can of water that makes you feel awake is enough. From that day on, I had a different perspective on seemingly simple meals. It is not just about eating enough, but also an experience that nourishes both the body and emotions. And if anyone asks me what is special about mixed pho, I will smile and say, just try it. If it is the right day, the right mood, it is not just pho, but also a small piece of music in the gentle noon sun. And if you want to make that song more lively, try adding another can of Rockstat. Who knows, you might also find yourself lit up in a very unique way. Thank you for listening to my little experience today. See you again in the next Eat to Tell story times.